Technology is transforming the world. Data science and AI are leading the way. New opportunities await those with skills. Welcome to SP Learning Labs. Start your journey with our free data science course.
Introduction to Data Science. What is data science? Why learn data science? Have you ever wondered how does Google Maps know there is a traffic on a road before you even reach it? How does your bank detect a suspicious transaction within seconds? Do you think all of this happens by magic? Or is it just artificial intelligence? Not exactly. Behind all these intelligent systems is something much bigger: data. And the ability to convert that data into smart decisions is called data science. Today, almost every industry like banking, healthcare, education, transportation is hiring professionals who know how to work with data. According to multiple industry reports, data scientist continues to be one of the fastest growing career domains in India and globally, with organizations investing heavily in AI and data-driven decision making. And that's one of the reasons why data scientists are among the highest paid technology professionals today. But here is the real question. What exactly does a data scientist do? Is data scientist the same as artificial intelligence? Is it the same as machine learning? Or is it something completely different? By the end of this video, you will be able to explain data science in one simple sentence. Understand what a data scientist actually does and clearly differentiate data science from AI, machine learning and data analytics. Let's begin. What is data science? Before understanding data science, let's think about your day. The moment you wake up, you unlock your phone. You send WhatsApp messages. Every single action creates data, not just yours. Imagine millions of people doing the same thing every second, every click, every payment, every search, every purchase, every location update. All of this generates innumerable amount of data. Now, here is an interesting question. If companies collect all this data every day, what do they actually do with it? Do they simply store it forever? Of course not. Because data by itself has very little value. Its real value comes when companies use it to answer important business questions. Imagine you own a supermarket. Every day, hundreds of customers visit your store. Some buy milk, some buy snacks. After 1 year, you have collected millions of purchase records. Now, someone asks you, which product sells the most? Which customer visit every weekend? Which products are frequently purchased together? During which season do cool drinks sell the most? Can you answer all these questions by looking at millions of bills one by one? Definitely not. You need a smarter way to collect, organize, analyze and understand the data. That's exactly where data science comes in. It helps business discover useful patterns from data and use those insights to make better decisions. So in simple words, data science helps organizations convert raw data into smart business decisions. What exactly is a data scientist? Now that you know what data science is, let's answer another common question. Who is a data scientist? Many beginners imagine a data scientist as someone who spends the entire day writing complicated code. That's only a small part of the job. A data scientist is actually a problem solver. Imagine your manager says, "Our sales has dropped this month." The data scientist doesn't immediately start writing Python code. Instead, they first ask questions like, why did sales decrease? Which products were affected? Which customers stopped buying? Is there any seasonal trend? Then they collect the required data, clean it, analyze it, build models if required, and finally present insights that help the company make better decisions. A typical day for a data scientist involves understanding business problems, working with data, finding patterns, building predictive models, communicating insights to business teams. So, in simple words, a data scientist uses data to solve real business problems. What's the difference? Now, here is one of the biggest questions beginners ask. Are data science, data analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence all the same? The answer is no. They are closely related, but each has a different purpose. Let's understand this with a simple example. Suppose an online shopping company wants to increase its sales. Data analytics looks at historical data and answer questions like, what happened? Why did sales drop? Machine learning learns patterns from historical data and predicts which customers are likely to make another purchase. Artificial intelligence uses those predictions to make intelligent decisions automatically, such as recommending products to customers, and data science is the bigger field that combines all these techniques to solve complete business problems. So, in simple words, data analytics explain, machine learning predicts, artificial intelligence acts, data science brings everything together. Analogy. Now let's understand data science using a simple analogy. Imagine you are a detective investigating a crime. When the detective reaches the crime scene, does he immediately know who committed the crime? No. He first starts collecting clues, fingerprints, CCTV footage, witness statements, phone records. Each clue individually tells only a small part of the story. But when all these clues are carefully analyzed, a complete picture starts to emerge. Finally, the detective identifies what actually happened. Data science works in exactly the same way. Data is like the clues, collecting data is like gathering evidence, cleaning the data is like removing false or irrelevant clues. Analyzing the data is like investigating the case. The final insight is like solving the mystery. And based on these insights, businesses make smarter decisions. So, in simple words, a detective solves mysteries using clues. A data scientist solves business problem using data. Real world example. Let's see how all of this works inside an online shopping company. Imagine the company notices that sales have dropped over the last 2 months. The management wants to know why. The data scientist begins by understanding the business problem. Instead of guessing, they collect customer information such as purchase history, products viewed, cart details, customer reviews and payment information. Next, they clean the data by removing duplicate records and correcting missing values. After that, they analyze customer behavior. They discover something interesting. Customers are adding products to the cart, but many of them are not completing the purchase. After investigating further, they find that delivery charges are higher than competitors. Based on this insight, the company reduces delivery charges and launches a free delivery offer for eligible orders. A few weeks later, sales begin to increase again. Notice something important. The data scientists didn't simply write code. They first understood the business problem, collected the right data, analyzed it, found the root cause, and helped the company make better decisions. That's the real role of data science. So in simple words, data scientist is not about writing code. It's about solving business problems using data. Common mistakes. Before we move to the interview questions, let's discuss a few common mistakes beginners make. Mistake 1. Thinking of data science is only about coding. Mistake 2. Confusing data science with AI or machine learning. Mistake 3. Jumping directly into machine learning. Interview questions. Let's look at some interview questions that are commonly asked. Question number 1. What is data science? Question number 2. What is the difference between data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence? Question number 3. Can you explain a typical data science project? Comment your answers in the comment section. Let's quickly recap today's lesson. Today we learned what data science is, why data science has become one of the fastest growing career, who a data scientist is and what they do, the difference between data science, data analytics, machine learning and artificial intelligence, how data science solves real business problems using data. Quick career tip. Don't focus on learning every tool at once. Instead, build a strong understanding of the fundamentals first. Once your basics are clear, learning Python, SQL, machine learning and AI becomes much easier. Now you know what data science is. But here is another interesting question. Can one person become a data scientist by learning only Python? Or does a data scientist need mathematics, statistics, programming, business knowledge and communication skills as well? In the next video, we'll explore the components of data science and understand how each component plays an important role in building a successful data science career. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to SP Learning Labs for more data science tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!